A young shepherd boy, bored while tending his sheep on a quiet hillside, thought it would be fun to trick the villagers. He ran down shouting, "Wolf, wolf," and the villagers rushed to help, only to find him laughing. The boy repeated this prank again, and again the villagers came, only to be fooled. But one day, a real wolf appeared, and when the boy cried for help, no one believed him. The wolf attacked the flock, and the boy learned too late that no one trusts a liar, even when they speak the truth. Subscribe to Stories with Sara.